Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making oxtail. So I'm going to be showing you the process step by step, from how I clean the meat to seasoning to the finished product on a plate. As you can see at this moment, I am removing this huge piece of fat from the oxtail. I hit a little bone, so I'm just going around that. I find that it is easier to remove the fat when the meat is slightly frozen. It makes it way easier. I hate to see fat on oxtail after it has been cooked, so I'm removing all the fat from my meat. So here we have roughly 10 pounds of oxtail. Well, 2 pounds was just in fat. So we have 8 pounds of oxtail here, and now we're going to wash our meat with some vinegar and water. Okay, so now we're going to start seasoning our meat. So here I have 2 onions, 3 pieces of scallion, some thyme, some garlic, and some scotch bonnet pepper, and also ginger. Now I'm using 4 scotch bonnet pepper, but you don't have to use that much. I'm using that much because I love spice. We'll also be using some pimento berries, some all-purpose seasoning, and some braise browning. So in regards to how much seasoning I'm using, in regards to the measurement, growing up in a Jamaican household, I never saw my mom measure any seasoning when she's preparing any meal. So we just normally sprinkle seasoning until the ancestors say to stop. But I will put a rough estimate as to how much seasoning I use in the description box below. So now we're going to let this marinate overnight. So today is Saturday. Let this marinate and we will cook this tomorrow, Sunday. So it's now Sunday and we are going to start braising our oxtail. I've already added oil to the pot. It's medium heat. Go ahead now and turn these pieces of oxtail so the other side can start getting brown. So before I put the meat in the pot to start browning, I make sure to remove the seasoning that's on the meat, like the onions and the scallion and pepper, because we only need the meat in the pot at the moment to braise. We'll add all the seasoning at the end when all the meat has been braised. So now I'm just gonna turn the meat so the other side can start getting brown. Okay, these are ready, so now I'm going to remove them from the pot. Okay, so now I've added the final pieces of oxtail to the pot so that they can be braised or browned. I grew up hearing my parents say they're going to brown up the oxtail, so that's why I say brown up the oxtail. Okay, so as you can see, everybody is properly braised now, so I'm going to remove them and pour off the excess oil that's in the pot, and then I'm going to add all the meat back to the pot along with the seasonings, the onion, peppers and stuff, and then I'll add some water and we'll start cooking this down. Now I am going to start adding the rest of the oxtail to the pot with the seasoning. Some water to the container that the meat was in with the seasoning, just to rinse out the remainder of seasoning that was in the bottom of the container. So this is about a cup of water. Now I'm going to cover this and let it start boiling before I add more water. Okay, so now I'm going to check the pot. I'm just going to stir everything up. So maybe a couple of minutes, but there's already water inside. So it has has been almost an hour. I'm gonna check on these oxtails now. Let's see. We have 2 more hours to go for these oxtails to be ready. Fall off bone ready. Okay, so after about 3.5 hours, this is what our oxtail is looking like. Already thick. So now I'm going to add our butter beans. So first I rinsed the top of the can. We're going to be using some Goya butter beans. Then we're going to drain some of this juice off. So now I'm going to add these to the pot. And then we're going to let this cook for around another 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes has passed. And our oxtail is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.